Well, good evening. J&P Saves Cars here with an update on the Project 1967 Camaro. I'm referring to it as the Red Dead Camaro because it is currently still not responsive. It is out and about today. It was a beautiful day and I was doing some organizing, so it came out of the garage and I wanted to take a look and show you guys just what the paint is looking like after all the tedious time scraping and polishing, and it's looking really good. So I'm gonna do a longer video on the other side. You know what? Let's just take a look. We got 7 seconds left. Yep. I'd say that's an improvement.